Hello friends, this is Nima and we're gonna do something different. I want to bring into my channel all the type of craft that I do. I do a lot of needle arts craft and I'm gonna be working with needle felt and doing my paintings. And let me show you let's see, it might be a little too big. So I'm painting this bird in here. So I'm going to paint it on this piece of wool. It's going to be like maybe, like 5 inches. I'm trying to measure in here. Every square in here is an inch. So it will be maybe um, 5 inches, including the tail, and 2.5. Yep, kind of like that. Um, and I'm going to divide this in different videos, very short videos. And the first video is about what I'm making. I'm making this bird and this piece of wool. This is 100% wool, like felt, like the one that you buy on your craft. But actually, I bought this one in one of the places that I use to buy my supplies. I get my supplies from either Living Felton or Sarafina, and I'm gonna put the links on the description. So this is one of those base that I use so I can paint on top of this. And to paint, I'm gonna use wool. The wool comes in different colors. These are some of the wools that I'm using, and then different types as well. Like I have the the merino, the silk. I also have, this is the core, and I'm using also some nips. It's like little pieces so I can use around here. And I have all these colors that I have put aside in here so I can play with my bird and create using the different colors, different shapes. I have different oranges and I'm going to use it for the chest and a little bit of the bottom of the bird. And for the white part, I'm using this winter white from Living Felt. Like I said, I have different wools in here, and some are from Living Felt, some are from Sarafina, um, and I will post the links for the two stores in there. So this is going to be my next project, and I'll be posting videos little by little. Like this is all about the materials. Right on the top we see the different needles that we're using, and sometimes you will see me using this double one. It's my favorite. I'm using the yellow in there twice, and then depending on the area I'll be using some of this. This is just to show you something else, something different that I make. If you want more information, you can ask me. You can put it in the comments. I'll be happy to explain. This is gonna be just a general video to start, and maybe later on we do a more formal tutorial. In this case in here, I just wanted to show you my project, that it will be to make this bird in here. And little by little, we're going through the stages. My first stage will be to start with the body of the bird, doing an outline. And once I start with there, I'll be posting videos little by little of the progress of this. All right. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.